Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
From the corner of South Las Vegas Boulevard and Mandalay Bay Road, we turn towards the resort entrance. The walkway begins wide and formal, bordered by palms, hedges, and low stone walls that separate the property from the street. Ahead, the first landmark dominates the view, two large winged sculptures mounted on tall pedestals. These figures form the gateway to Mandalay Bay. Their wings rise in mirrored arcs, framing the line of approach that leads directly towards the resort. Passing between them, we enter a landscape garden designed as a visual transition from the city to the resort interior. Beyond the statues, the path opens into a paved forecourt surrounded by flowering planters. Straight ahead stands a tall stone archway, the first of several architectural frames that guide the way forward. Its columns and lintel are detailed with geometric carvings drawn from Southeast Asian influences, a consistent motif throughout Mandalay Bay's original design. Through the arch, the route continues beside shallow reflective pools edged with rock formations and clusters of tropical foliage. A bronze urn fountain rests on the square pedestal at the center of one pond, while a small waterfall cascades from the rocks behind it into the same basin. The arrangement is symmetrical, balanced by palms and flowering shrubs that soften the stone structures. This entire garden system operates on concealed irrigation using recycled water circulated through the underground lines to maintain greenery year-round. Every planter and tree has been placed with precision to frame the building's gold facade as it rises above the water. Reaching the end of the garden, the path leads directly to a set of glass doors under a sheltered portico, the formal entrance to Mandalay Bay. Stepping through the doors, the architecture shifts from garden textures to refined interior finishes. The foyer stretches wide, finished in polished stone flooring laid in repeated geometric patterns that echo the lines of the exterior approach. High ceilings supported by smooth columns define the main volume, with recessed lighting drawing focus to the structure itself. The reception desk stands ahead, positioned against warm-toned walls inset with decorative panels. Artwork and sculptural pieces continue the water and nature theme. Curved forms, sand-colored surfaces, and metallic accents that reflect the gold tones of the towers outside. On either side, small lounge areas create balance. Low seating clusters, ornamental planters, and decorative partitions divide the large hall into functioning zones without breaking the visual flow. Every sightline leads naturally towards the center of the space, reinforcing the sense of order established by the exterior design. From the gardens outside to the interior hall, this entire sequence works as one continuous composition, a planned progression from the winged gateway through water and stone into a calm, structured foyer that defines the Mandalay Bay experience from the first step inside.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.